It's lunchy munchy time. I had a little bit more time at lunch today, so we're gonna go over here and fish right next to the road. See if we can catch scent. Let's see if we can see a good spot. Right over here. Oh yeah, this is good looking water. A big run right over here that I remember. I'm gonna sneak right down here on the right and try to fish these pockets. We're gonna sneak right over here. That's a good looking run. And you'll notice there's no signs that say posted. You always want to look for those type of signs, because if you see something that says no trespassing, especially around here, you keep your butt out of that spot. You only have to be shot at once. Let's see where this run starts. If I remember correctly, there's another one. Yeah, let's fish that little spot there too. We'll jump in the water over there and then come around. I'm just using that little dry and a dropper combo. This time I've got a hare's ear and a parachute Adams. Not so much because I'm expecting to see anything hatching on a day like that, or on a day like today, but I just can't see anything else. Now this is very shallow water, which is typical for this time of year, but it does make fishing this creek a little bit more challenging. Not only because the fish can see you just about anywhere, but also because it limits the number of places that you can find a run that can actually hold fish. So you end up covering a lot of ground. But you end up covering, or you end up not getting a lot of strikes. But that's okay. Oh, got one. Oh man, he came off, darn. That was a brown trout. He took the nymph. Darn. He's just right on the bottom of this little run here. Just saw that one little spot over there that I thought might be able to hold a fish, and sure enough, there's a little brown trout on it. At this point, it's all about where is the holding water? What is deep enough that you can hold a trout? And every little nothing pocket on the side could potentially hold one. You just got to look. And that last one, I mean, I had a trout in what looked like it was just about 4 or 5 inches of water, very little. See, I've got these really low limbs, so casting is kind of a chore here. This looks like a solid spot, as does that. Oh, I got a good one there. He's on the dry fly. Oh, good brown. Oh, if I can get him to me. There we go. Solid. Pretty fish. And on the dry fly. Beauty. Beauty of a brownie. On the dry. November. Love it. Now this is a beautiful run. There really ought to be something sizable in this. But you never know. I mean, that big brown was right there in this holding water. Just barely a little pocket. The thing I like about runs like this, yeah, I've got enough overhead casting room that I can make a long cast from all the way back here and still reasonably get it to a good part in the pool. It's a little bit fast. I think our best bet's going to be up there on the left. Come on, there's got to be something in this hole. Got something. Probably a trout. Little one. Little wild one. I'll take it. Oh yeah, look at that. Still got his power marks and everything. Love it. That is a beautiful little booger. Healthy. Good structure, good color. See you, bud. There's that little guy. Yeah, I knew you were in there. Little rainbow. Boy, he took that nymph right away, man. He was on it. It's hard to believe how quick these things can be on the flies, but boy, that lateral line, they feel it and they're on it, man. That last rainbow was on that nymph so fast. I knew he was on the dry fly, but he wasn't. He was on the nymph. He hit it that quick. I mean, he was on it just as soon as that thing hit the water. Incredible. These are tough casts because you can see these limbs are coming right down over the stream. So you see I'm really side arming my cast, which limits how long of a cast I can make, but boy, is this a trout? It is. Look how tiny. He's probably real young in the year. Neat. Didn't stop him from being hungry though, does it? He took the nymph. There's anybody? Oh yeah, that's a nice one. Man, another one that was right on it just as soon as it hit the water. Gosh, I'm amazed at how hard and fast these things hit. Whoa. Neat. So that's 3 in one run. Super. Oh no. Knew that was going to happen eventually. No matter how good you are at this game, eventually you're going to end up in a tree. Eventually. It's not if, it's when. Oh yeah, right there ought to be a good spot. Oh, that thing's going to get me hooked up, I can tell. Let's see if I can make that cast a little bit further. Oh, got him. Knew there'd be one right in that little thing. Oh, he came off. Time to go back to work. Just fished a real short stretch of river. Maybe only about a quarter of a mile. Well, that was productive and fun. And my chariot awaits. So until next time, thanks for watching. And for my subscribers, thank you for subscribing.